Hey everyone, I just got my second box of Misfit produce, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Of course, we get our little letter here. I do want to say that it arrived today at 11:44, and I brought it into the house immediately. Then I opened it just so I can put a temperature probe in here. And as you can see, inside the box, it is 77 degrees. We've got some condensation. The cardboard is wet. Three ice packs, and they're a little cool to the touch. Better than the last batch that came in. And you can see my temperature probe right here. We'll take that out now. So let's see what we got. Kale. And I'm told that's a regular staple that will be in just about every box. And actually, I have a great kale recipe that I'm working on right now, and I will be putting that up. Maybe today, maybe not till tomorrow. But 2 bunches of kale. We got a pack of salad blend lettuce. That actually looks really nice. I'll open it up later when we do a weigh-in on everything. Okay, we got a carton of something here. Oh, I got some tomatoes. There's 3 of them in there. So 3 tomatoes. Yay! Okay. Let's see, an eggplant. Looks nice. Good firm texture. You can see the condensation on it. Oh, I can tell right now, this box has color, and I'm really happy about that. Okay, more scapes. And I got a recipe coming up with using scapes also. Plums. 4 plums. Yeah, just the 4. And they all feel great. They look great. I can't wait to try them. A couple limes. Oh, here's another one. So 3 limes. Baby bells. And a nice colorful selection of them. And I'll open this up when I do the weighing and go over everything. Six oranges. There's the 6 oranges. Two English cucumbers. Three celery hearts. Oh, 3 more limes. 3 more limes. A squash, butternut. Looks nice, good firm texture. Oh, another butternut squash. And onions. 3 onions, and this one is mush. So you can see that this is all mush. This is another onion that's going to have to go into the trash. But the other 2 look great. And that's it for this box. I will be back with a second video going over the weights on everything and with more discussion.